Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Diya's Color World. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification of my new videos. In today's tutorial, we are going to make this beautiful storage box out of this old tin box. So let's get started. For today's project, I am using this beautiful baby girl napkin. If you don't have decoupage napkin or decoupage paper with you, you can also use printout of any picture that you like. If you are using decoupage napkin, do not stick it directly on the base. Always remove the layers and use only the printed one. Then stick the design carefully on the base with the help of ModPodge glue. Here I am using homemade ModPodge glue. I shall give you the details in the description box. Always be careful when you are sticking the napkin as there are chances of getting wrinkles. So apply glue on small portion and stick the napkin slowly. Once you are done sticking, again apply glue all over the design. I have few more leftover cuttings from my other project which I am going to use on the box. As I have explained before, I shall be using same technique to stick this also. If you have not watched my other decoupage videos, link is provided on the screen. I am using flesh tint and white acrylic color from Camlin. On the lid I will be using tint color, and on the box I will be using white acrylic color to give it a contrast look. If you have chalk paint, you can also use that instead of acrylic colors. You have enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay tuned for more videos.